In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to diagnose a knocking sound coming from your engine bay. With the engine running, you can hear the sound. First step I would typically say is remove the serpentine belt, and if the sound goes away, it is something on the drive line. It's either a tensioner, a pulley, could be an alternator, could be a pump, could be an AC compressor. But in this case, I use my stethoscope, and I just replaced the ABC pump, so I put it on there, as that is one variable that has changed. It doesn't sound like it's exactly coming from it. And so I go down to the tensioner pulley right down there, and it is clearly coming from there. So, without taking off the serpentine belt, I was able to diagnose and isolate it and show me that it's coming from the tensioner. So now we know we need to replace the tensioner.